what is the appropriate age for a facelift? There's really no appropriate age for a facelift. It's really when is it appropriate for a particular person to have a facelift. So if somebody comes in their 50s and you kind of do one of these and there's really not much movement and they won't benefit from a facelift, then they're not a candidate. However, if somebody comes in even in their mid 30s and when they do this, they see an appreciable improvement in their aesthetic, it makes them feel better about themselves, it makes them look more youthful or rejuvenated, then it's appropriate. A great example of this is things like autoplasties and rhinoplasties. Autoplasty, ear pinning surgery, we do as young as age 5 or 6. Rhinoplasty, we do as soon as possible, basically at the age of 15 when, especially females, or 16 for males, when they're more fully grown, because it's something that they dislike about their appearance that we have the ability to change. It's the exact same thing with facelifting. Facelifting is not just rejuvenating somebody that's older. It's a procedure. It's a procedure that repositions the facial fat pads and structures. So if somebody's coming to you and they feel that when this gets elevated, they look more refreshed, more youthful, or just overall they look better, then it's an appropriate procedure. It's not something that should be categorized in, well, I need to get a facelift at a certain age. So there is no age for a facelift. The best judgment is really to go to a good, honest surgeon, because there are some that will do a facelift on just about anybody, and really have this assessed. But one thing that you can do for yourself is kind of use 2-3 fingers over here, elevate this in the proper vectors, and see, is this something that's really improving without creating any excessive pulling or stretching the mouth or unnatural appearance? And if that is the case, then you may be a candidate.